lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I've got huge mix haul for you. So I have some jewelry, some underwear, dresses, tops. Some of them are from Amazon, River Island, White House Black Market and more. So the first thing I wanted to show you is actually some jewelry. So you know I'm obsessed now with necklaces and all sorts of jewelry. So these I already had. This thin chain is from Amazon. This is I think 9 carat or 10 carat gold. That was chain on its own, and it's really good because it's adjustable. It has like a bow and you can make it shorter or longer. Now this little Scorpio pendant, that was from Amazon. That came on a different chain which I didn't like. This is not gold, so I just got rid of the other chain and hung it on here. This one you've seen, that was from Marks and Spencer's, but this is my newest one. So this one is one of those mirror chains, and this is from Bronze Italia. I got it on QVC actually, and they did 2 lengths. I wanted them both. This one is I think 42 centimeters, and they had one that was 60, but they've sold out of the other one. It was so inexpensive. I think this one was £28. So this is bronze metal, and is I think 18 carat plated, and it's so pretty and sparkly. And then I got a couple of bracelets. This is like a square snake, and this one, these ones are from Misoma, London. So these are again, I think they vermeil, I think that's how you say it, gold vermeil, which is gold filled, I think. These are quite more expensive because it's Misoma, London. So yeah, they are really pretty. So I got these. Now I also got so I find it so impossible to put these on. So I got myself this helper. I haven't tried it yet. It arrived this morning and I already had my bracelets on. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's really cheap plastic with like a peg. So basically you hold it like this, you clip one end of the chain into it, and then you can do it up. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know how it works. Just wanted to show you that Misoma London comes in a beautiful box. I suppose that's what you pay for as well. It comes in a gorgeous box like this, and then the bracelets were in their own separate boxes. Another thing that I bought is another helper that helps you to do up zip at the back of your dress or whatever. You know, sometimes I have a dress that has a really long zip, I can't reach it. If Paul is not home, I'm stuck. So this, I suppose you could make it yourself, but it's quite pretty. So basically you attach that to the bottom of the zip, then you've got this ring. So if you imagine if that was attached to your zip and you just pull the zip up. Brilliant. It's actually quite pretty. It's really nicely made. So this was very good. I definitely will be using that. Now I bought loads of knickers. So I bought some from Wolbar. I think they are actually Polish. Yeah, they made in Poland, but they were on Amazon. You can get lots of them on Amazon, and there are some online shops as well, and they are so pretty and comfortable. So I show you a few. I bought loads of them, and obviously I've worn some, so some are in a wash. What's going on here? So I bought just normal knickers. You know, they just really pretty, and the fabric, they all are a bit different, very stretchy, very soft. I normally wear thongs, but sometimes I want to wear knickers, you know, certain time of the month, or you know, when you have a long flowy dress, if you wear thongs and you bend over, then you stand up, your bottom is the dress. So you need proper knickers. So I've got a pair like this. And when you want to buy like normal knickers, they're usually quite ugly, you know, just a normal cotton one with some pattern. But these are so pretty. So I've got another pair here. Don't know if you can see. Let me turn the light down a bit. So there is another pair. Look at the back of it. I won't link them all. You can just, I will link you the page to it so you can just have a look, because there is so many. I can't remember now. These are thongs. Another pair of knickers, and the, you know, the fabric is just so beautiful and soft. These are a bit more high-waisted. Sometimes you need that. These ones are a bit bigger as well, but they just all really pretty. You know, when I wear like normal knickers, full knickers, I feel a bit frumpy, but these are so pretty. And there is another different thong. I've got many more, but I just thought I'd show you a few. They are really lovely. One thing to remember, go size up. They come up very small. So normally I'm medium in knickers, but I bought large. So that's what I saw in reviews. A lot of people said that they come up a bit small, to go size up. Yeah, I think that's it when it comes to jewelry and knickers and little helpers. Let's do the clothing haul now. Okay, so this is the first top. It's this lovely camisole with a lace trim. It is high and low, so if I take that out, you can see it's sort of high and low, but I quite like it tucked in. I can't see what I'm doing. I don't have the mirror here at the moment. Yeah, so I think this one is so pretty. I also have one in like a blush pink, so I'll show you this one in a minute. They did them in so many colors. I might get some more because I really love it. And I got this one in size medium. It seemed to be true to size. Depends how, I don't know, how baggy or tight you want it. I suppose I could go for small, but I bet you will be too small here. So yeah, I will show you the blush pink now. So here is the blush pink. I really love this top. The fabric is really nice. It's probably like a mix of cotton and polyester. It's very flowy, so, and very light, so very comfortable and cool. Now, I don't know if you remember this t-shirt. This is from Amazon as well. I have shown this to you in last year's Amazon haul. I like it so much. I love the boat neck. The only thing is, this is not, this is sort of not sewn in, so you have to arrange it. But I love that neckline. It's very fine rib, it's so soft. Love that t-shirt, so I bought another one. I've got 3 of them. Okay, the next 2 tops are from White House Black Market. I ordered it from USA. I waited maybe a week, something like that. And I really love that one. I like it's got like a beige and yellow flowers on it. I got this one in size large, and I don't know why, if I've read in the reviews that it was coming up small, but I am glad, because you know, these type of tops can be quite tight here and then they just go up when you move your arms. But this top you can wear in 3 ways, I've decided. So you can wear it like this, off the shoulders. You can also wear it just like this, so it looks like a normal t-shirt. Or, let me just show you, getting undressed here. Almost like a boob tube, and I know that the sleeves sort of hang here, but that just looks like a little frills, I suppose. So yes, I thought it was very versatile top. I think they were that was on sale, and the next one that I will show you as well. Maybe, well, there's another way you could wear it on one shoulder. So yeah, so that's 4 ways that you can wear this top. I just thought of this one right now. Now this is another top from White House Black Market. I love this top. It's so romantic, feminine, so beautiful. It is white, as you can see. It's got like pleats here, and I think at the back as well. And then these gorgeous, gorgeous frills. I love this top. Again, you can just wear it like this. You can tuck it in. God, I wish I brought my mirror here. You can tuck it in. It's just beautiful. Beautiful top. I find it quite unusual. I hope they still have them, because I'm sure I bought them on sale, so I hope they still have them. And now I've got some dresses which are from Amazon, and then I've got a few more tops. Okay, this is a dress from Amazon. I cannot stress enough what a beautiful fabric it is. It's quite stretchy and a bit heavy, not, you know, heavy that you have to walk like this, but it's a bit heavier. It's so soft. I honestly don't know how to explain this fabric. It's a simple dress with like puffy sleeves with this sort of leopard or Dalmatian spots. I think they did these in different colors, and I think it's quite versatile. It's a very much daytime dress, but I think you could dress it up with some heels, but it equally looks nice with flip-flops, even with some trainers, you know, training shoes. So it's just above my knee. I will put all the sizes next to it in a description box, because I can't remember now. Especially with Amazon, the sizes are so different that you order something, it comes, and on the label says completely different size. I've got that with one of the dresses. So yeah, nothing special, but very comfortable. Even something, you know, to wear around the house that looks quite nice and is very comfortable. Okay, surprise, surprise, red dress. You know, I'm on a red kick at the moment for some reason, and most of these red things are from Amazon. For some reason they do such beautiful red color. So this dress, I don't know how I feel about it. It's really pretty. Again, they did them in a lot of colors. They did black one as well. Now I ordered that one in size 12. I've got one, I can't remember where I saw it, if it had another label or on a bag it said extra large, but I ordered size 12. I think it's a bit small. I think it's supposed to be one of those, you know, more flowy ones. I can feel it a bit tight on my hips, but that could be because, you know, I've got quite wide hips. If your hips are not as wide and you are size 12, UK 12, then this will be absolutely fine. I think it's a really pretty dress. The back is really nice as well. Yeah, it's one of those, what is this fabric? But it's got lining all the way underneath here. It only doesn't have lining on the sleeves. I think it's really pretty dress, you know, to go to dinner. I think I like it. Let me know what you think. Okay, this is another dress from Amazon. I think this one is so pretty. Again, they did them in lots of different colors. I chose this, again, blush pink. Yeah, I think it's really lovely fit. So it's sort of fitted up to here. It's slightly empire line and then floated this way. Do you think it's a bit too girly? The length is nice. It's just falling on my knee. But look at the back of it. It's got really pretty back. I think I ordered this one in UK 14, because I knew if it's quite fitted here, I will need that. You can see the top is lacy with the lining. It has got lining as well under this, and this is see-through, so you can see a bit of the skin. But I think, and it's so light, and you know, my usual name, light and flowy. Yeah, it's really cute, but I don't know if it's a bit too girly. They did black one and beautiful navy, so maybe in black one it will look better. Okay, now the next three tops are from River Island. So you know, I am a big fan of one shoulder tops. I've changed my trousers. These are last year's from Zara. So this top, can you see the pattern on it? It's sort of like a leopard print. Yeah, it's just really frilly one shoulder top, and I liked it so much that I got one in beautiful bright pink as well, so I will show you that one in a minute. And here is the bright pink one. So as you can see, this one's got sort of self spots. Gorgeous color, beautiful bright pink. It's exactly the same. Is it the same shoulder? Was the other one the other way around? I can't remember, but I suppose they are the same all the way around, so maybe you could wear them whichever shoulder you want out. So yeah, I really like this one too. Now this is the last one. This is some statement top. This is from River Island as well. It's a bit booby, but I suppose for some evening out is okay. Really like it. I'm not sure if they will still have it in stock. I bought it maybe 2 weeks ago and it was on sale. I think I bought it for, it was 10 or 8 pounds, and it's really lovely fabric, stretchy. These are on elastic, so you can wear them like this, or you can wear them like this off the shoulder. It's got a zip at the back, so it completely opens up and you just take it off. I thought it was such a gorgeous top. I think if you are going to wear it like this, you have to have your hair up, otherwise there is too much going on. But don't you think that's gorgeous? You know, me and frills and statement sleeves, I love all that. Okay, my lovelies, so that's all what I had to show you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.